Alright guys, so we just did a first 60 to 130, this in Mexico of course, and it ran a 7.3 as you guys saw. So it's my first time doing a pull in it, so I'm gonna try to shift sooner because I think I just hit the red line too fast, didn't know what to expect. I think it definitely has a a high 6 in it. If not, it's probably flat 7, but this thing's beast for the power it's putting out, and the auto just taking a beating. So we're letting it cool off. We're gonna try one more 60 to 130, and hopefully it gets to 6. If not, hopefully it's just faster than what it was. So now we're gonna try from third gear, since the car, I don't know, it just doesn't want to go from second to third very smoothly. Be the last one, hopefully everything goes well, and we'll see how it does. I'm gonna do it right here. I'm gonna do third gear right here. Yeah. This thing is definitely a beast. I don't know what goes on between that second or third shift. He's gonna have Monsef. Monsef's gonna have to look at that. So, but I think this car definitely has a high 6 in it. Maybe if not flat out 7, because that delay between second and third, even when I shift it early, I don't know, it's not throwing any codes, no stability light or anything. So might be the tune just kind of restricting some power, maybe just to save the engine, not entirely sure. So but I hope you guys enjoyed those pulls. This thing's definitely a beast, and it's crazy that the auto is just taking it like a champ. So VR swapped 370Z Nismo, probably have another video on it later. These were just some pulls, and yeah, let me know how you guys feel about it. Were you writing the predictions? So we're back in my Z. I hope you enjoyed that video. We're gonna send those videos to Monsef, that's his tuner. See if you can look at them, see what the issue is with the reason. Because even when I shifted early, it still has that cut between second and third. So if we can get that sorted out, then I feel like that car can probably get a 7.0, or maybe a low, maybe a high 6. If it was colder weather, it could definitely get a 6, but it's humid, it rained, so this is the worst weather conditions. But yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video.